Hello guys, it's Monday. We are came back to gym after good holiday on Sunday. So as Monday we have started our day with chest day. We have done several exercises with chest press, incline chest press, decline chest press, some exercise of triceps as well, and a little bit good. You can say it is one of the good chest day, but our star boy didn't did anything because he committed to paid gym only, so he will do whatever he wanted to do in the paid gym only. So we are no more trainer of Mr. Aditya the star boy. So but a good news guys, we found new extremely new trainer. He was training to someone else which is trained by under us, so you will get to know after we share some video. We had made some video of our extremely new trainer. He was training our new member. My one new member has joined today, so you can see. Say hi to our guys.
Hello guys.
Guys,
And this is my
he is my roommate Yogesh. He's from chemical department and he joined from today. He- he's from Kasol.
They are just kidding guys.
He's guys Uttarakhandi guys. He's from some snow area. By the way, we'll try to figure out new exercise for him as he is a beginner. So he will try little bit later. He will gain the pace, but little later. So we'll start from him because our star boy is going to paid gym. So we found new member. So we'll come to our old trainer. Let's ask him what's going on. So old trainer, how are you?
Guys.
Hi. So
We did chest, tricep, and this is what we did. And today our star boy become a trainer.
yeah, that's what I'm saying, guys. We found extremely new trainer,
Yeah.
and it is our star boy, none other than
The star boy.
the star boy. So he will no longer be the student of us. He is the new trainer now. He will be training to
and he is a
Mr.
part of that paid gym also.
He is a part of paid gym. I don't know from when he will going to start. Maybe from tomorrow only.
Tomorrow
He
may
paid
not
his
be.
fees of gym.
And he won't come in that free gym. From
So I don't think.
He will not be with us tomorrow.
So
Tomorrow he will
he
not-
won't be the part of vlog from tomorrow. Well, let's see. We will try to catch up with him because, as you know, our channel name is depends on him only. So we have to keep him in the vlog. We'll make some few clips of him, but we'll try to keep up it in our vlog. Let's ask to our extremely new trainer. So extremely new trainer, how was your day? What you had done today?
I did all things. I was
He did all the things,
giving
guys.
him overview of all
He was-
exercise and machines.
Yeah.
What
We
are
trained very well, bro. We are very proud of him because whatever we teach him, he did exactly same, but with little less weight.
Yeah.
But by the way, good progressive. Now he can join paid gym and he can train himself. So let's come up with the quote of the day. We'll not make too much longer video.
So today's quote of the day is be faithful to that which exists within yourself.
So be grateful, guys. Whatever you have inside you, so be
be-
grateful. Now he is grateful that he got the paid gym subscription. I am grateful that I am the part of vlogging team. So we'll see you guys. See you guys. Bye bye. See you guys. 15 kg.
निकाल गए. See our new trainer. और आ गया. Let me train him. अबे he will pick this.
लवड़े कौन होते हैं? नौ सिद्धांत करके दिखाएंगे कैसे करता है.
See guys, our new trainer.
व्यूअर्स आज आदित्य करके दिखाएंगे 1 महीने की ट्रेनिंग का असर।
चलो भाई, ऐसे कैसे नहीं होता, उठा। क्या बात है, सामने ले।
वो रील याद है ना आदित्य?
ऐसे मत, नहीं गिरेगा, नहीं गिरेगा। एक हाथ तो पूरा ही छोड़ दिया, सब तुम जाते में नहीं गिरता।
आगे आओ।
न्यू मेंबर गाइस, न्यू मेंबर।
The guy who never had his leg day is doing leg day just because to train him. Yeah. See, extremely new trainer, extremely new. Here is old trainer. He is extremely new trainer. New trainer. Hey, Ismail bhai. See, he is my roommate. Now he is a new member of our training, and he is the last member, and he is having the last day of today. You can see our old trainer is doing his work.
New member is there.
तो व्यूअर्स फाइनली टाइम आ गया कि हमारा स्टार बॉय ट्रेनिंग देने लगा है। देखिए कैसे दिखा रहा है, समझा रहा है कैसे करते हैं। इट्स रियली अ प्राउड मोमेंट फॉर अस ट्रेनर्स। आई मीन नो ट्रेनर्स, बट या वी हैप्पी टू सी हिम डू दिस।
देखो guys, see how proud of me today. My guy, the person who I am trained, is training someone else.
भाई मुझे मत रिकॉर्ड कर।